IT declaration is the process of obtaining investment declarations from employees at the beginning of the financial year. Using employees' IT declarations, you can calculate and deduct TDS for each employee. In addition to this, every time an employee's salary changes or a new employee is added, the process needs to repeat for that employee. With greytHR's investment declaration module, you can easily collect employees' investment declarations hassle-free. The greytHR IT declaration process consists of the following 3 simple steps. 1. Releasing IT declarations for your employees. 2. Locking your employees' IT declarations. 3. Considering your employees' IT declarations. Step 1. Releasing IT declarations for your employees. From your greytHR admin login, you can release IT declarations for your employees by navigating to the Employee IT Declaration page under the Payroll admin module. The release generally enables an existing employee to make a revised or updated declaration, or for new joiners to make their first declaration. Under the Release Lock tab, from the Status drop-down, select the status is locked. The locked IT declarations are now displayed in this section. Use the various filter options to select employees. Click on Release Options and select Options for your employees. Click on the Save button to save the release options. You can either release the IT declaration for an individual employee or in bulk by clicking on Release Selected or Release All. Click on the Release button to complete the process. Employees will now get a notification on their ESS portal to declare their IT savings. To know more about how employees can submit their IT declarations on greytHR, kindly watch our video titled Income Tax Savings for Employees on greytHR. Step 2. Locking your employees' IT declarations. Towards the end of the month, perform the following steps to lock the IT declaration for the employees. This helps you in processing each month's payroll accurately. From the same employee IT declaration page, filter the IT declaration by selecting the Released option from the Status drop-down. The already released IT declarations are displayed now. You can either lock the IT declaration for an individual employee or in bulk by clicking on Lock Selected or Lock All. Once the IT declarations are locked, employees will no longer get an option to submit the declarations. Step 3. Considering your employees' IT declarations. After locking the employees' IT declarations and before processing payroll, you must consider all the IT declarations. By default, the IT declarations pending your approval are displayed on the Consider Declaration section. You can at any point in time change it from the drop-down. You can also use various filters such as Payroll Date, Employee and Employee Filter drop-downs. To view the details of a plan, click the link to the plan name under the View Declarations column. You can either review the IT declaration for an individual employee or in bulk by clicking on Consider or Consider All button. The plan is then approved and the employee can see the plan under the list of declared plans on their ESS portal. You can also lock and consider your employees' IT declarations on greytHR in a single click by locking the payroll inputs from the Payroll Overview page for the current month. Click on Payroll Input Lock from here. You will get a pop-up to lock IT declarations and consider them for income tax calculation. Click on Confirm. Now the system will lock IT declarations and will consider the declarations for income tax calculations. After considering the declaration, this would not be immediately visible in the payroll numbers or tax statement. For this, do remember that you would need to process the payroll for that employee. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How to video series.